Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be continuing with the CAT 2017 PYQ series, and this is the fifth video in the series. So let's start the video. We are told that log x to the base 3 is equal to log y to the base 12, and both are equal to a, where x and y are positive numbers. And we are told that g is the geometric mean of x and y. So we need to find the value of log g base 6. So I can write like this, right? Log x to the base 3 is equal to a, and log y to the base 12 is equal to a. From here, x is equal to 3 to the power a, and y is equal to 12 to the power a. Also, g is the geometric mean. So g is equal to x into y under root, right? I need log g. So taking log on both sides, base 6 equal to log xy. I can also write root s to the power half. From here I can write log g to the base 6 is equal to properties of log, half will come outside, log xy to the base 6. What is x and y? X is 3 to the power a, y is 12 to the power a. Alright, so I can write 1 by 2 log 6 properties of exponents. I can combine the two numbers and take the power as common. So log 6 base 6, log g base 6 is equal to, now again I will use properties of logarithm. A will come outside, and 3 into 12 is 36. 36 can be written as 6 square, right? 36 can be written as 6 square. So this is basically a by 2. Again properties of log, 2 will come outside, power 2, log 6 to the base 6 is equal to a into log 6 to the base 6 is nothing but 1. So the correct answer will be option D. Simple question, properties of logarithm. If you know the properties of logarithm and properties of exponents, you can easily solve this question. Let's move on to the next question. We are told that x plus 1 is equal to x square and x is greater than 0. We need to find the value of x2 into x to the power 4. Squaring both sides. Why did I square, right? Because I need x to the power 4. So x to the power 4 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Now, guys, can I write this as x square plus x plus 1, right? 2x, this 2x I am writing as x plus x. And what is x plus 1, guys? X plus 1 is x square. So this can be written as x square plus x square. So I can say it is 2x square plus x. But what is x square, guys? X square is basically x plus 1. I have 2 outside plus x. So from here I get x to the power 4 is equal to 3x plus 2. Right? Now, guys, on the first equation I will get x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quantitative equation. So what will be the value of x? X equal to minus of b. B is minus 1 plus minus under root of b square. What is b? Minus 1 minus of 4a. A is 1. C is minus 1 by 2 times of a. A is again 1. From here I will get 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. Now since x is greater than 0, therefore x equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2. Correct? So x to the power 4 is 3 times of x. I can write 3, 1 plus root 5 by 2 plus 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Why? Because I need 2 to the 2 into x to the power 4. So this will become 3 plus 3 root 5 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5. So the correct answer will be option D. Now you can ask me why I did all this. I could have directly used like calculated x. Like I have calculated at the last step, right? I have calculated x and then I could square it, and then again I can square it. You can also do that, but in order to reduce my calculation, I followed this method. You can square this, then you will get 1 plus root 5 by 2 whole square, right? Then again you will square it, you will get x to the power 4. So what is this? This will become 1 plus 2 root 5 plus 5 by 4. Square this one, right? So this will become 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4 whole square. If you square this, then again you will get x to the power 4, and then multiply by 2, then you will get the required answer also, right? Let's do it only, right? Let's check if we will get the same answer. So 2 common, 3 plus root 5 by 2 whole square again, correct? 2 into 3, yeah. By square I will get 9 plus 5 plus 6 root 5 by 4. So it is 14. So 14 plus 6 root 5 by 4. So what is this? This can be written as 2 into 7, 2 into 3 root 5 by 2. This is x to the power 4. Multiply by 2. 2x to the power 4 is 7 plus. Yeah, guys, you can solve it like this also, whichever method you like. Okay, you will get the same answer. Alright, guys, let's move on to the next question. Not any difficult one, very easy question. Let's move on to the third question. So log root 5 to the base 0.008 plus log 81 to the base root 3 minus 7. Alright, so we will use properties of logarithm. Log 0.008 root 5 can be written as 5 to the power of half plus log root 3. Root 3 can be written as 3 to the power of half. 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4 minus 7. Half will come outside. Log 5. What is 0.008? This can be written as 8 by 1000, right? 8 by 1000. What is 8 by 1000? This can be written as 2 by 10 whole cube, or this can be written as 1 by 5 whole cube. So I can write 1 by 5 whole cube. I have plus 4 will come outside, half will come outside again, right? Log 3 to the base 3 minus 7. Now this 3 will come outside, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Log of 5 to the base 1 by 5 plus 8. Log 3 base 3 is 1 minus 7, 1 by 6. This will be minus 1 plus 1, right? So 6 5 5 by 6. Very easy question. So the correct answer will be option C. Alright, guys, you need to know the properties of logarithm here. Okay, so like if you have say log a to the power of n base b, okay, first you have to know the domain. Okay, f of x equal to log x to the base b, suppose. So x will be greater than 0, b will be greater than 0, and b not equal to 1. This you have to know. This is the property of logarithm, the domain of logarithm. Okay, so x cannot be less than 0, and the base will always be positive, but it cannot be equal to 1 also. Alright, so here n will come outside, it will be log a base b. If you have log, let's say, a base b to the base b to the power m, so this will be 1 by m, 1 by m log a base b. These you can easily derive using the properties of exponents, like we know, right? X to the power of m into, say, x to the power of n. So how do we write this? We write this as x to the power of m plus n, right? So similar properties, huh? Okay, we can derive all these properties, logarithm properties, using the properties of exponents. All right, guys, let's move on to the fourth question. 9 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 81 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 1944. So I can see this is a power of 3, this is also a power of 3. Can I write 9 as 3 square to the power of 2x minus 1? 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 x minus 1. 9. Is it divisible by 9? So yes, 1944 is divisible by 9, right? Because the sum of the digits are divisible by 9. So 9 into 2 is 18, 1, so 6. Again divisible by 9, 9 into 2, 18, 36 is 4. This can be written as 8 into 3. So 3 square, 3 square, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5 into 2 cube. So I will write like this, 3 to the power 5 into 2 cube. Now this will be 4x minus 2 minus 3 to the power of 4x minus 4 equal to 2 cube into 3 to the power of 5. We can see that 3 to the power of 4x is common. So let's say this is y. So we will get y by 3 square minus y by 3 to the power of 4 equal to 2 cube 3 to the power of 5, right? What is 3 to the power of 4x minus 2, guys? This is 3 to the power of 4x by 3 square, right? Property of exponents. Similarly, 3 to the power of 4x minus 4 can be written as 3 to the power of 4x by 3 to the power of 4. So this will become 3 to the power of 4 LCM. So 9y minus, so this will become 3 square into y. 3 square is basically 9. So 9y minus y. This is 8 into 3 to the power of 5. So from here I will get 8y by 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 8 into 3 to the power of 5. This 8 and this 8 will get cancelled. From here I will get y is equal to 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4, which is basically 3 to the power of 9. And what is y? Y is 3 to the power of 4x, right? Base is same. So 4x equal to 9, x equal to 9 by 4. Alright guys, not a difficult one, easy to moderate. Answer will be option B. Let's move on to the fifth question. The number of solutions x comma y comma z to the equation x minus y minus z equal to 25, where x and x, y, z and positive integers. What are positive integers? Positive integers means natural numbers. Natural numbers. Such that we are given the range. See, we are told that x is less than equal to 40. Explicitly, we are told this explicitly, right? But we are also told something implicitly, that x, y, z are natural number. That means this is the range. Similarly, y is 12, z is also 12. This one was not given us explicitly. We are just told that they are positive integers, so I can derive this, right? They are natural numbers. So in these types of question, okay guys, it is always better to choose that variable whose range is minimum. Okay, so we can select y or z because both of them have the minimum range, right? 1 to 12. So uh, draw a table like this. Okay guys, for these types of questions always draw a table. So let's say z is 1 and z is 1. Why I'm starting with z? Because z is the minimum, right? The range of z is minimum. You can also start with y, okay, but don't start with x. Okay, like you can get the correct answer, but the range is quite long, so I prefer not to start with that variable. So if z is equal to 1, so x minus y will become 26, right? x minus y will become 26. Let's say I start with the biggest one, z is 12. If z is 12, if z is 12, what will be this? X minus y will become 37, right? 37. So what will be y? Y can be 1, y can be 2, y can be 3. Why y cannot be 4? If y becomes 4, so I can say y plus 37. If y becomes 4, let's say y becomes 4, x will become 41. But 41 is not allowed because the range of x is 1 to 40. That means y can be from 1 to 3. And for each individual value of y, I will get the corresponding individual value of x. So let me denote the number of solutions ns as here. So how many solutions? 3 solutions here. When z is equal to 11, I will have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why? Because in that case x minus y will become 36, right? When z is 11, that means x equal to y plus 36. So y can be from 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 4. So for corresponding values of x will be 37, 38, 39, 40. How many solutions? 4. Likewise, when this becomes tens, I will have 1 to 5. Similarly, I will have some 5 values of x here, right? And it will go like this till when? Till when, guys? Let's see. Now, when z is equal to 1, when z is equal to 1, I will have x minus y equal to 26, or x equal to y plus 26. So what is the maximum value of y? Maximum value of y is 12. Minimum value of y is 1. That means I can have 1 to 12 here. If y is 1, I will have 37. Not 37, guys, 27. My bad. It will be 27. When y is 2, I will have 28 like this. And when y is 12, I will have 38. How many values are there? 12 values. When z is 2, I will have x minus y equal to 27, right? And x equal to y plus 27. Y is 12. Y can be 12. 1 to 12 again. I can again have 1 to 12. Then means 12 values again. 1 to 12. Again 12 values. When y is 3, z is 3, I will have x minus y equal to 28. X equal to y plus 28. Y can be 1 to 12 again. How many values? 12 values. 12. So I will have some corresponding values of x. So number of solutions will be 12. When z is 4, I will have x minus y equal to 29. So x equal to y plus 29. That means y can be from 1 to 11 this time. Cannot be 12. If y is 12, I will have 40 to 41, right? And 41 is not permissible value of x. That means I will have 11 values here. Now I can say guys, now I can see a pattern. 3, 4, 5, then it will come 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 till here. That means from this to this, I can say total number of solutions will be 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 plus 11 plus 12 plus the next this two. 12 plus 12, which is 24. What is the sum of this series? This is basically an AP. So first term plus last term is 15 divided by 2, which will give me the average of this AP into number of terms. How many terms are there? 10, 10 terms are there. 3 to 12. So 12 minus 3 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 terms are there plus 24. So this is basically 75, right? 150 by 2 is 75 plus 24, 99. So the total number of solutions will be 99. So the correct answer will be option B. I would say this question was not an easy one. I would say moderate, easy to moderate. Alright. I hope you have understood this question, guys. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, for how many integers? Please guys remember integers. And will the inequality less than or equal to 0? Please be careful, less than or equal to 0 be satisfied. So before I start this question guys, I would like to let you guys know that I have explained the topic inequality in my channel, and there's a playlist where I have explained different kinds of questions from the topic inequality. All right, if you have watched those videos, this question will be a very easy one for you. Okay, this is a very easy question. If you have watched my videos from the topic inequality, this question is a very easy question. All right guys, so we are given n minus 5 into n minus 10 minus 3 times of n minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. So this will n into n is n square minus 10n minus 5n, and I have minus 3n, so I will get minus 18n, right? N into n is n square, so now n will be multiplied with 2 10 and 5 will be multiplied with n. So minus 10n minus 5n minus 15n, and then this minus 3 into n is minus 3n, so minus 18n. 50 plus 6 56. So this can be written as n square minus 14n minus 4n plus 56 is less than or equal to 0. This can be written as n minus 14 into n minus 4 less than equal to 0, right? Did I do any mistake here? N square minus 1 minus 18? No. Now it's very simple. Draw the number line, do wavy curve method, use wavy curve method, write the roots 14 4. If you do not know the wavy curve method guys, please watch my inequality playlist. All right guys, so plus minus plus, I need less than or equal to 0, that means I will have to consider the roots as well. That means n belongs to 4 to 14, close bracket, and how many integers are here? 14 minus 4 plus 1, so 11. This was a type in the answer. Okay, so the correct answer will be 11. All right guys, a very simple question. Let's move on to the last question for today guys. So we are told that of f1 of x is equal to x square plus 11x plus n, and f2 of x is basically x. Then the largest positive integer, be very careful, largest positive integer, that means what positive integer means? Natural number, natural number. And I need to find the largest, that means the maximum value, maximum natural number, maximum value of the natural number, for which the equation f1 of x equal to f2 of x has two distinct real roots, two distinct real. Okay, so this is a question from quantitative equation. So let's start. So we are told that f1 of x equal to x square plus 11x plus n, f2 of x is given as x, and we are told that f1x equal to f2x, two distinct, not two distinct, two distinct real roots. That means x square plus 11x plus n is equal to x, or I can say x square plus 10x plus n equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and when you have two distinct real roots, distinct means different, real, okay, then the discriminant should be greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, the roots will be real as well as distinct. Okay, and a quadratic equation can have at max two distinct real roots. That means b square means 10 square minus 4a is 1, c is n is greater than 0. I can say 100 minus 4n is greater than 0, or I can say 25 minus n is greater than 0, or I can say n is less than 25. So n is a natural number, so the maximum value of n can be n equal to 24. This is the maximum value of n. I need the maximum value, right? Therefore the answer will be 24. Okay, this was also a type in the answer, so you need to enter 24 as your answer. Okay, I will teach a basic concept here, guys. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in x. This is a quadratic equation in x where where very important, a b c belongs to R, means real numbers, a not equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. And the nature of the roots, okay, of this quadratic equation, roots means basically, roots means zeros. Okay, that means at what value of x, at what value or say values of x, the quadratic equation will become 0. At what value or values of x, the quadratic equation will become 0. All right, those are known as the roots of the equation. All right, so the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation is determined by the discriminant, which is represented by d, and it is given as b square minus 4ac. All right, if d is greater than 0, real roots, distinct and real roots. If d is equal to 0, real and equal roots or identical roots, the roots will be same. If d is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary roots, and this is out of scope for CAT syllabus. Okay, this is not required here. And there are lots of theory for concept involved in quadratic equation. I am not going to explain everything here. Okay, this was just required for this question, so I have explained it here, guys. All right. Okay, so I hope you guys were able to solve all the questions, and in case you were not able to solve, don't worry, guys, just keep practicing lots of questions from all the topics. All right, guys, and I hope my explanation made it easier for you guys to understand each of the questions, and I will upload the remaining solution of the questions in the next video, guys, and I hope that will be the last video for this series. And please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for further updates. Thank you, guys.